For a little while now, all over many social media platforms, that girl has been going around. The trend where you're basically trying to better yourself and live out healthy lifestyles. Recently, the pink Pilates princess has been doing a similar thing, and to be honest, it's basically the same thing, but it's just more of a pink aesthetic. So with all that being said, we are going to try and live out the pink Pilates princess. After scrolling through Pinterest for hours and hours, I think I have a pretty good idea of what this trend basically entails. So with all that being said, let's start off with diving right into my night. So I started off the night before. I figured that the best way to embrace the pink Pilates princess is to start off by refreshing the night before. Basically what I did was I did my skincare and took a shower in a way where I really spent time to resonate with what I was doing. Skincare and exfoliating in the shower is something that is really important to me, but I don't really have that much time to do it, so I'm trying to make it a very, very important step in my routine to do mainly every night. After getting out of the shower, I obviously put on my pink pajamas and just started blow drying my hair. I just got the Shark and I really, really like it. Then I know from looking at Pinterest that the heatless curls are very in, especially for a pink Pilates princess. So I put them in my hair just to get really nice waves in my hair the next day without having to put any heat or do it in the morning. After this, I decided to listen to a very calm pink noise Spotify playlist that put me right to sleep. Starting off my morning at around 7 a.m., I woke up and immediately started reading. Then I hopped right into the bathroom and started taking out my heatless curls. Now let's jump into what I did throughout my day. As you guys already know, I'm going to do a day where I'm living like a pink Pilates princess. Now, as I mentioned earlier in the video, I've been seeing this trend everywhere, and I thought it would be a good idea to kind of try it out myself just because I'm trying to really get back into a healthy lifestyle and also a routine, and I thought that this would really help me get there. So basically what I'm going to do is I am going to do everything I feel like a pink Pilates princess will do throughout the day and just live out that aesthetic. As you guys already saw, I had my night routine, and basically what it did was it really set me up to be in the right vibe to have a pink Pilates princess type of day. So I slept with heatless little curlers in my hair and I really like them. I've been seeing this little silk rope on TikTok and I'm obsessed with it. It does a very good job at curling my hair. It's pretty comfortable to sleep with too, so that's always a plus. And then it just comes with little scrunchies and they are silk as well, and I feel like silk really does a good thing for my hair. Yesterday I went to the food store and picked up everything that I thought I would need, so I'm just going to give you guys a little bit of footage from that, and then we are going to go into my day.
I wanna be there when it rains. I wanna know you on your bad days, baby. I wanna be there when you start to think the wrong things in the right.
As you guys saw, I got back from the food store and I wanted to show you everything that I got. First things first, I got this raw kombucha, and this is the guava goddess flavor, and it was pink, so I thought it matched the vibe perfectly. And after looking on Pinterest and TikTok, I see a lot of people drinking coconut water and very healthy drinks while doing this trend. I'm allergic to coconut water, so I couldn't get that, but I thought that getting something similar to that would be really good, and in my mind, that was raw kombucha, and I thought that this would be really good to try out and drink. And I just got some raspberries, I got some strawberries. I love strawberries. I got this little ginger shot. I'm really, really scared to try this, but I feel like, again, since I am trying to get back into the healthy lifestyle, and that's what I do think a Pilates princess does resemble, I am going to try this out. I don't know if I'm going to necessarily like it, but I do feel like these types of drinks right here aren't really meant to like. I just take them because I know that they're good for me. Then I got some pink Orbit gum. I love bubble gum. I got an avocado because I want to make avocado toast, and then I got lemon so I can make lemon water. I know that a Pilates princess really likes drinking coconut water and that like healthy lifestyle, healthy drink type of thing. So I wanted to try the kombucha, and I also wanted to make lemon water because I felt like that was a good balance in between coconut water, just because I obviously can't have it. So I thought that doing something that I think would be pretty close to it would be good. Like I said in the beginning, I'm going to be doing things that also align with what I like like in my life and not really incorporating things that I don't like because I don't really want to promote that. After looking on Pinterest, I know that for breakfast, there's a lot of acai, there's a lot of fruit, there's a lot of oats and stuff like that. Personally, I'm not the biggest fan of oatmeal, so I also went into Pinterest a little more and dove deeper, and I found that there is also avocado toast with just fruit on the side, and personally, I resonate a lot more with that. So I'm going to have some avocado toast and then put some strawberries and raspberries on the side because I feel like that is still a very healthy breakfast. And I did find that even though it's not very popular for a pink Pilates princess in my opinion, it still is done, and I've seen a lot of matcha drinks and stuff like that as well. I'm going to have my kombucha with my breakfast, and I think it's going to be really good.
Summer rain on the window. Watch the time float on. Cool air blows a memento as I fall behind.
To be honest, this is actually pretty good. I really like it. This is the guava flavor, and the only other time I tried kombucha, I really didn't like it, so I'm surprised I like this, and I'm excited. Just ate breakfast. It was really good. I had my English muffin toast with raspberries and strawberries. I was going to just do a regular toast, but I ran out of bread, and I forgot to get it yesterday, so I was just working with what I had. Going to finish my little kombucha, and then I'm going to go to the gym and do Pilates. Pilates is something, like I said, that I haven't been into a lot, but I feel like I can really get into it if I push myself. I personally really like Orange Theory and like HIIT type of classes, but I do like fitness a lot, so I feel like I will like Pilates once I allow myself to get used to it. In the beginning, I didn't really like running or anything that related to the gym at all, so I feel like as long as I allow myself to give it a try and really resonate with it and not go into it thinking I won't like it, then this will be good for me. Personally, when I started doing yoga, I didn't like it at all, and now I actually kind of like it, so I know that it will definitely grow on me. And for me, Pilates is something that I feel like will really help me, especially because I do have PCOS. Just being on the fitness side and trying out new things will really help me, especially when it comes to health and fitness. So I'm excited to try that out and see how I like it. The only thing is I don't have a pink workout set, and I was going to buy one, but it wasn't going to come in time for this video, so I'm just gonna wear a pink sweatshirt and black leggings because I looked on Pinterest, and that's also sometimes what pink Pilates princesses wear to the gym, so I'm just gonna wear that and hopefully it's okay. I put on my little sweatshirt. It's basically just a white sweatshirt and it has like a pink tint to it, and now I'm going to do my Pilates. I have my little mat on the floor and I'm kind of nervous. I'm going to do a beginner's Pilates class just so I can get used to it, and then hopefully in a couple weeks or months I'll be able to actually do a hardcore Pilates class, start on my yoga mat that I actually have from college because of my yoga class, and get into Pilates.
Woke up coming home on the East train, barely alive. All I could hear was the sound that the breeze made. Watching days pass by out my window. Everybody's getting on and off, and I start to wonder if I missed.
I just finished my little Pilates class, and honestly, it was very relaxing. It reminded me a lot of being in a yoga class. Now, I know that this is just because I did a beginner's class, but even as just a beginner's class, I was sweating. It was very nice. I enjoyed all the stretches in the beginning and at the end, and I think the poses really did help, and it made me feel better about myself. So right now, I'm going to go take a body shower and just kind of get ready for the day, and I will definitely be doing more Pilates in my routines because I actually really enjoyed it. Alrighty, I just took a little body shower and now I'm going to do light minimal makeup. So I'm just going to put on a little concealer and then just some eye makeup, not really too much of anything. Thankfully my hair stayed pretty well, which I'm surprised about. I've been trying not to wash my hair as much, and honestly it's been holding a curl a lot better, which I'm very happy about because I really didn't expect that. I've been trying to figure out ways ways to make my hair look better and just figure out how to style my hair, because for me it's always been a bit of an issue to get the curls to stay in my hair. So I'm happy that they're actually finally staying and look pretty nice brushed out. Whenever I used to brush out my curls, they never stayed. Like in 2 seconds they'd fall out, and this is with no hairspray. So I think I figured out the trick, but I'm just going to put a little bit of highlighter on. I'm not going to do contour or blush today. And then I'm going to do a little bit of my powder. This is just the MAC setting powder. I really like this powder. I'm going to just put a little bit of white eyeliner here just to add some shine. I'm going to do some Vaseline and then just some of my favorite mascara. This is honestly my favorite mascara. All right, and that's basically all I'm doing. So I'm gonna take these little pieces out. I'm honestly really surprised that my hair stayed. I just got the Shark and I was going to go over my hair again with the Shark, but I really don't think I need to. I think it looks pretty good. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to journal. The whole idea of being a pink Princess Pilates girl is the same idea as that girl, living healthy lifestyle habits and adapting new habits into your routine, but this is just more focused on there being a pink aesthetic. So since it is focused more around healthy habits, I'm going to journal. I feel like journaling is something that I really love, and I talk about this in a lot of my videos, but every single time I journal, I really resonate with a lot of the things that I journal with, and this could be literally about anything. Usually I journal talking about how I'm feeling, what I can improve, what I did good on, because it is always good to give yourself credit for the good things that you do and just stuff like that. So I'm going to journal, and I'm also going to make a to-do list for tomorrow. I am going to work tomorrow. We have to go into the office, so I just want to kind of have a little list of everything that I need to get done when I go into the office. I totally forgot to tell you guys, but I know that in this type of lifestyle there is a lot of like fitness going on, a lot of healthy habits and stuff like that, and I wanted to go on a walk, and I was going to wear these on my walk because when I was looking on Pinterest I saw a lot of the posts have like these earmuffs in them, and I was so excited to be able to wear them, and then the weather just wasn't good. It was really cold. So just know that that was the idea, but I feel like this really does match the whole vibe of it too, and I was going to wear these and I was so excited. But I would recommend these. They're really, really soft and I love them. I got them for Christmas. These are the Uggs one, but I know that they have ones on Amazon that are a lot cheaper, but I do really like these. They're really soft and I'm obsessed. Journaling. I like to use this little journal. This is a daily planner, but I can also do journaling in it, so that's what I did. I wrote my to-do list, I wrote things I have to get done this week, and then I also did some journaling. Then I also have this Make a Habit little post-it thing that I got from Target, and I really like it, so I wanted to share it with you, and it matches the vibe because it's pink, and basically you just write a habit and then you check off every single day of the month when you do it, and it helps you stay on track, and this has helped me a lot. Now I'm going to bake cupcakes. I saw that on Pinterest. There is a really light pink type of cupcake that is going around under this name, and I really want to try it out. I'm going to make vanilla light pink cupcakes, and we'll see how they turn out. Cupcakes out of the oven, and I'm going to make a green drink right now. I feel like this is something that has really helped me and has honestly made me feel a lot better like inside. So I'm going to make that and let the cupcakes cool, and then we will ice them. I just finished doing my cupcakes and they taste taste really good and they look really pretty, and I'm so excited. But basically that is it for this pink Pilates girl routine. The only other thing I'm going to do is something I love and really focus on relaxing, and for that I'm just going to do a meditation and then also kind of like reflect on my day in my head, and then we're going to settle down, try to go to sleep early, and probably just like watch Gossip Girl or Grey's Anatomy or something like that. So I'm gonna end off the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Comment a pink heart or a pink emoji down below if you liked the video, and I'll see you really soon in my next video. Bye guys.